Meanwhile, Culture Minister Olivia Grange says there will be no National Labour Day project this year. Speaking in Parliament this afternoon, the minister said this is in keeping with COVID-19 restrictions.
The public will be asked to stay home and clean up your space. This Labour Day, particular emphasis will be placed on ridding homes and their surroundings of conditions or elements which will encourage the breeding of mosquitoes. This is guided by the recent announcement that the Ministry of Health and Wellness is on high alert for a possible increase in cases of dengue fever, especially with the forecast of rainfall in the ensuing months.
She said a secondary focus of Labour Day this year is to encourage Jamaicans to either start or restart their backyard gardens.
In keeping with that objective, I've reached out to the Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries and the Minister of Housing, Urban Renewal, Environment and Climate Change to provide support for our citizens for their Labour Day projects and to raise public awareness about their initiatives.
Now, last evening, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced that there will be an all-day lockdown on Labour Day.